Hellcat.
Grandpa, I like gun.
Eh? A good man. A good thing to like gun. Make I tell you a little story.
Yeah, story time.
Cause una generation, the only thing una do is watch TV. All una know is internet, tablet, and tomorrow.
Grandpa, 1 year tomorrow.
You're too young for that. I know for you. Once upon a time, you have black man, white man, and Chiny man. So, these three men embark upon a journey. Them set sail upon the sea. It was a stormy night indeed when them set upon the sea. Anyways, the storm was so heavy that the ship it came to a wreck. The ship got swept away by the ocean and they all ended up on a deserted island. So, them last on the island and the king on the island was a good king. So the king take them in. The king feed everybody. Big feast keep. And that night when everybody sleep, the king had a nice sexy daughter. So anyways, black man see the king daughter and decide to convince white man and Chiny man to go battery the king daughter.
A 1 year battery.
You too young for that. You're not ready yet. Anyways, get on with the story. So black man convince everybody to battery the king daughter. When the king wake up in the morning and realize that one, the king never wild them. The king send the three of them to go in the garden, go get them favorite fruit. So anyways, Chiny man him first come. Chiny man come with 6 June plum. So the king guard them whole Chiny man and stuff the 6 June plum down him throat one by one. Chiny man ball and him holler. Anyways, when white man come with 6 grapefruit. And them whole white man and do the same thing. But white man never did a ball. White man would have laugh from now till the morning.
Grandfather, I want to make him a laugh. And grapefruit bigger than June plum.
I know that, me grandson. White man him dead a laugh just because him know. Black man a come with a melon.